Today, we are going to manufacture the Firefighter Kilt Cargo Style. Before starting the manufacturing, we completed all the essential items needed in manufacturing the kilt. First, we select the color of fabric, and then cut it according to customer length and waist. We cut the fabric and make the plain front apron. After that, we cut the panels to make pleats. We mark and pin the pleats, then stitch across the top to secure them inside the kilt. In the second step, we cut fabric to make flap pockets, and then we stitched on the left side. After this step, we cut the reflective tab and sewed on the right and bottom front apron corner and flap pockets. Then we cut fabric to make small loops and stitch them on the waist. After that, we take snap buttons and attach them with front waist, front apron, and flap of pockets. Then we take a pair of fish hooks and attach them with a side nickel hook.